Today we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart and my stomach, gut health. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat, but did you know your gut is actually considered your second brain? We're talking about a complex ecosystem of trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract, known as the gut microbiome. These tiny organisms play a huge role in not just digestion, but also immunity and even your brain function. That's right, scientific evidence shows a strong link between gut health and mental well-being. Think about it. 90% of serotonin, the happy hormone, is produced in your gut, not your brain. When your gut bacteria are out of whack, it can manifest in a whole bunch of ways, from digestive issues like bloating and IBS to mood swings, anxiety, depression, and even more serious conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But the good news is, there's a lot you can do to take control of your gut health and feel your absolute best. We're talking real stories, real science, and real strategies to heal your gut from the inside out. Let's get to it. One of the best things you can do for your gut is to eat the rainbow. And no, I don't mean Skittles or candies. I'm talking about filling your plate with a vibrant array of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Think about it. Each color in fruits and veggies represents a different group of phytonutrients. These are plant compounds that have amazing health benefits. For example, the deep reds and purples in berries are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with fiber, which acts like a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. And orange and yellow veggies like carrots and sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for a healthy gut lining. When your gut has a diverse range of these beneficial bacteria, it's better equipped to handle whatever life throws its way, from digesting food efficiently to fighting off infections and even regulating your mood. But here's the catch, a lot of people eat the same limited variety of foods day after day. Maybe you're stuck in a rut with the same salad for lunch, or always reach for the same fruit in the grocery store. I get it. Routines can be comforting. But I challenge you to step outside your comfort zone and try something new. Experiment with exotic fruits, try a new vegetable every week, and make it a game to see how many different colors you can fit onto your plate. You might be surprised by how much you enjoy trying new things and how much better you feel when you're giving your gut the diversity it craves. Remember, a happy gut means a happy you. So what are you waiting for? Let's get colorful. Now let's talk about fermented foods. No, I'm not talking about that science project you forgot about in the back of your fridge. I'm talking about delicious and gut-healthy foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, kefir, and kombucha. These fermented wonders are packed with probiotics, which are live beneficial bacteria that can help balance your gut microbiome. Think of probiotics like the reinforcements your gut needs to fight off the bad guys, those harmful bacteria that can wreak havoc on your digestive system and overall health. When you eat fermented foods, you're essentially introducing an army of good bacteria into your gut, helping to crowd out the bad guys and restore balance. But it's not just about adding good bacteria, it's also about creating an environment where those good bacteria can thrive. And that's where prebiotics come in. You can think of prebiotics as the food that feeds your probiotics, helping them grow and flourish. Good sources of prebiotics include foods like bananas, onions, garlic, asparagus, and oats. So next time you're making a stir-fry, don't be shy with the garlic and onions. Your gut will thank you for it. Adding fermented foods to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Start by incorporating a small serving of yogurt or kefir into your breakfast routine. Add some sauerkraut or kimchi to your sandwiches or salads for a tangy kick. Or sip on some kombucha for a refreshing and gut-healthy beverage. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, why not try making your own fermented foods at home? It's easier than you might think. And it's a fun way to experiment in the kitchen. Remember, a healthy gut is a balanced gut, and fermented foods can help you achieve that balance. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, it's easy to fall into the trap of processed foods. They're convenient, they're everywhere, and let's be honest, they can be pretty darn tasty. But here's the harsh truth. Processed foods are the enemy of a healthy gut. These highly processed, refined foods are often stripped of their natural nutrients and loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, artificial ingredients, and preservatives, all of which can wreak havoc on your gut microbiome. Think about it. Your gut bacteria thrive on a diverse diet rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. But when you bombard them with a constant stream of processed junk, it's like feeding your gut a diet of candy bars and soda. Not exactly a recipe for a thriving ecosystem, right? One of the biggest problems with processed foods is their impact on inflammation. Many processed foods contain ingredients that can trigger inflammation in the gut, leading to a whole host of digestive issues like bloating, gas, constipation, and even more serious conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. And it's not just your gut that suffers. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up all processed foods cold turkey. Let's be realistic. We're all human, and sometimes you just need a cookie. But the key is to be mindful of your choices and make processed foods the exception, not the rule. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods as much as possible. And when you do indulge in something processed, do it in moderation. We all know that exercise is good for our physical health, but did you know it also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy gut? It's true. Regular physical activity can have a profound impact on your gut microbiome, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria and improving overall gut function. Think about it. When you exercise, you're increasing blood flow to all your organs, including your digestive system. This increased blood flow helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your gut, supporting the growth and diversity of your gut bacteria. Exercise also helps regulate bowel movements, which is essential for removing waste products from your body and preventing constipation. But it's not just about intense workouts at the gym. Any form of movement can benefit your gut, from brisk walking to dancing to gardening. The key is to find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. And here's an interesting fact. Exercise has also been shown to reduce stress, which is a major win for your gut. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria and lead to inflammation. Exercise helps counteract the negative effects of stress by releasing endorphins, which have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. So next time you're feeling stressed or sluggish, lace up your sneakers and go for a walk, hit the gym, or crank up the music and dance it out. Your gut will thank you for it. Let's talk about stress, that ever-present force in our lives that seems to seep into every nook and cranny, including our gut. You see, our gut and brain are in constant communication through a complex network called the gut-brain axis. When we experience stress, whether it's from work deadlines, relationship troubles, or just the daily grind, our brain sends stress signals to our gut, which can disrupt the delicate balance of our gut microbiome. Chronic stress can lead to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria in our gut, while simultaneously suppressing the growth of beneficial bacteria. This imbalance can manifest in a whole host of digestive issues, from bloating and gas to constipation and diarrhea. But it's not just our gut that suffers. Chronic stress can also weaken our immune system, making us more susceptible to infections and other illnesses. So what can we do to manage stress and protect our gut health? The good news is there are plenty of effective stress-reducing techniques out there, and finding the ones that work best for you can make a world of difference. Meditation and mindfulness practices have gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. These practices involve focusing your attention on the present moment, calming your mind, and letting go of negative thoughts. Studies have shown that regular meditation can reduce stress hormones, improve sleep quality, and even promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Yoga, another ancient practice that has stood the test of time, combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Yoga postures can help massage and stimulate the digestive system, while deep breathing techniques can calm the nervous system and reduce cortisol levels. So there you have it. The gut-brain connection is real, and taking care of your gut is one of the best things you can do for your overall health and well-being. Remember, your gut is constantly sending you signals. Are you listening? Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Manage your stress levels and make time for movement and relaxation. Your gut will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and keep those guts happy.